What's the meaning of competitive? Competitive. Competitive.
Competitive. Competitive. Competitive refers to a situation where individuals or entities strive to outperform others in a given field or activity. The result of competitiveness can be both positive and negative. On the positive side, competition stimulates innovation, encourages efficiency, and often leads to improved products or services. On the negative side, it can create stress, anxiety, and a focus on short-term gains at the expense of long-term benefits. Additionally, intense competition can lead to unethical behavior and a lack of cooperation among competitors. Overall, competitiveness can have both positive and negative effects, depending on how it is managed.